Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter number 10, verbs plus ing, now today we are going to do the textbook. So everybody open page number 6666 of grammar textbook. Let's do. Look at the picture and read what the children in the neighborhood are doing. Write down the verbs that show what they are doing. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें पिक्चर देखना है. यहाँ हमें पिक्चर देख के हमें क्या करना है कि उनके डूइंग वर्ब्स हमें ढूंढने हैं कि क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग, और फिर यहाँ जो ब्लैंक्स है उसमें हमें लिखने हैं. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? ओके. नंबर 1, रेहान इज ईटिंग एप्पल. Rehan is eating apple. So here you can see in the picture this boy name is Rehan. So what he is doing? He is eating apple. So is eating we have underlined and we have written over here is eating. Number 2, Sarah is reading a book. Now you can see over here small girl is there. Her name is Sarah, and what she is doing? She is reading a book. So is reading is what? Doing words. So we'll write over here is reading in the blank. Then Tara and Antara are watering the plants. Tara and Antara. Now you can see here there are two girls, Tara and Antara. So what we will write over here? What will underline? Are watering, because there are more than one. There are two persons. So what we will write? Are watering. So we'll write over here are watering. Number 4, Robin and his mother are mowing the lawn. Robin and his mother. Where is Robin and his mother? Over here. So you can see they are what they are doing. They are mowing the lawn. So again two persons are there. So what we have used over here? are, and then we have add ing. So the word becomes are mowing. So we'll write over here are mowing and we'll underline at are mowing. Number 5, Shiv and Riya are swinging on a swing. Shiv and Riya are swinging on a swing. Now again two people are there. Over here see, you can see Shiv and Riya. So what we'll do here? We have used are has helping verb, and we have add ing to the main verb, so it becomes swinging. So are swinging underline and write over here are swinging. 6 number, Rahul and Pooja are looking for me. Rahul and Pooja, again two persons are there. See, you can see over here Rahul and Pooja. They are searching a boy who is hiding over here behind the tree. So are we have used as a helping verb, and look plus ing becomes looking with the verb, main verb. So are looking underline over here and write are looking in the blank. Last 7 number, I am hiding behind a tree. Here the boy is talking about himself, a single person. So am hiding. So what it becomes? Am hiding. Underline am and then write here am hiding. So we'll read once again. Rehan is eating apples. Sarah is reading a book. Tara and Antara are watering the plants. Robin and his mother are mowing the lawn. Shiv and Riya are swinging on a swing. Rahul and Pooja are looking for me. I am hiding behind a tree. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here, let's learn. You had learned in the last session about verbs. I was not well, I had a fever. So this is what? This is the past form. So was is the past form. I am alright today. Mom says I can go to school in the present form. I can go to the school in the present form. Verbs can be used in any other present form to talk about action that is happening now. The action goes on for some time also. So did you follow, children? Verbs can be used in another present form to talk about action what is happening now. Verb used in present form. Present form means what जो अभी हो रहा है. It's written now, N-O-W, now. So this action goes on for some time also. Now example, Rehan is eating apples. So Rehan is eating now. So eating is going on. I am hiding behind a tree. I am hiding now. Hiding continues. Hiding जो है वो continue हो रहा है. She and Riya are swinging on a swing. So they are swinging now. वो लोग अभी swing कर रहे हैं. तो swinging is going on. This present form has two parts. ये जो present form इसके two parts है. See, is EAT plus ING. AMM. तो HIDE plus ING. Hiding. We have to remove over here E and we have to write I after D ING, hiding. Now ARER SWING swing plus ING, swinging. Rules for adding ING to the main verb. Main verb को आप कैसे ऐड करोगे? For some verbs we just add ING to the spelling. See, you can see over here, sing plus ING, singing. Same, just we have to add with sing, wait, sleep, meet. We had done this in previous session. Now for some verbs that end with E, so जो E से end होते हैं हमें क्या करना है, उसे remove करके ING लिखना है. Suppose this example, COME, come. तो हमने क्या किया, E को remove किया, COM plus ING, तो क्या बन गया, coming. Same with wave, WAVE, wave. We remove E and we have written ING, so it becomes waving. TAKE, take. We removed E and we add ING, so became taking. DANCE, we removed E and add ING, so becomes dancing. So you can see coming, waving, taking and dancing. Now here for some verbs where the second last letter is a vowel. Second last letter जो है वो vowel है. The last letter is repeated and then ING said. और जो last letter वो repeat हो रहा है फिर उसके बाद ING add करते हैं. We'll see. Example, PAT. अभी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो T के बाद A है, वो जो vowel है. तो हमने और क्या किया, उसके बाद प्लस T है तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा, PATT और प्लस ING, तो क्या बन गया, पैटिंग. क्या बन गया, पैटिंग. नेक्स्ट वन, ROB, रॉब. वो जो है O ए वावल है, राइट. तो B हमने उसके साथ ऐड किया तो डबल B हो गया. सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर ROBB प्लस ING, तो क्या बन गया, रॉबिंग. फिर उसके बाद SWIM, स्विम. तो I इज़ अ वावल तो हमने डबल M ऐड किया प्लस ING, तो क्या बना, स्विमिंग. CUT, कट प्लस T, तो क्या हो गया, U इज़ अ वावल, आई हैव एड मोर T, सो CUTTING, तो क्या बन गया, कटिंग. सो वी विल रीड वंस अगेन, पैटिंग, रॉबिंग, स्विमिंग, कटिंग. नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. टर्न टू पेज नंबर 6868. 6868. We'll do the exercise. Fill in the blanks using the correct ING form of the verb. ING form of the verb हमें fill in the blanks में करना है. A, I am learning. Learn ब्रैकेट में दिया है, हमें ING लगाना है, learn प्लस ING ऐड करना है, करेक्ट ING लिखा है. Using correct ING form of the verbs. Using correct ING form of the verbs. Now second one we'll see, B. Dina dash clean bookshelf. अभी यहाँ पे क्लीन दिया है और दीना इज़ वॉट, ओनली सिंगल, एक ही जन के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो क्या हो जाएगा, दीना हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे, इज़. और क्लीन के बाद हमने ING, तो क्या बन गया वर्ड इज़ क्लीनिंग। तो दीना इज़ क्लीनिंग बुक शेल्फ। सी नंबर, नीरू एंड ललिता डैश राइट लेटर्स। नाउ यू कैन सी हियर देयर आर 2 persons, तो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या लेंगे, ARE। और यहाँ पे देखो WRITE है, टी के बाद E है, तो हमें E रिमूव करके ING यहाँ पे लिखना है। तो हमने क्या लिखा, WRITING, राइटिंग। D नंबर, लॉरा डैश टेक द बुक्स आउट ऑफ द कबर्ड। लॉरा इज़ वॉट, सिंगल ओनली, सो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, लॉरा के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब IS इज़ और TAKING टेकिंग हो जाएगा, द बुक्स आउट ऑफ द कबर्ड। तो लॉरा इज टेकिंग बुक्स आउट ऑफ द कबर्ड। So we over here also you can see TAKE is there. So TAK we remove E and we have add ING, so becomes is taking. E number, E1, E alphabet. Mayank dash help Sayan. So over here Mayank is also single, so we will use first helping verb is and help is there, so after P we will write ING, so we will write helping. So the verb, the sentence becomes Mayank is helping, Mayank is helping. F number, Seema dash clap her hands. Again Seema is single only, we are talking about single person, so what will you write, IS is, and after P again you have to add one more P because CLAP is there, clap, but before P there is a vowel A. So what we had done, what we had studied, we have to add, make it into double, so CLAPPING, clapping, the word becomes clapping. Rishi and Ranjan dash make posters. So Rishi and Ranjan are 2 persons, so here it will be ARER, and making में what we have to do, we have to remove E. What we have to do, we have to remove E. So what it will be, MAK then plus ING, तो बन गया making. H number, Hema dash sleep. Hema is single, so it will be is sleeping, after P ING will add sleeping, SLEEPING, sleeping. Then I, she dash a sweater, so she is knitting, KNITT, again vowel is over here before T, so KNITTING, 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 so she is knitting because single person. J, Mrs. Masani dash teach Hema, so again Mrs. Masani is single person, so we'll write is teaching, after H will write ING, so becomes teaching. So Mrs. Masani is teaching. So once again we will read, I am learning Tamil, Deena is cleaning bookshelf, Neeru and Lalita are writing letters, Laura is taking the books out of the cupboard, Mayank is helping Sayan, Seema is clapping her hands, Rishi and Ranjan are making posters, Hema is sleeping, she is knitting, Mrs. Masani is teaching. Now we'll go to next exercise. Imagine you are watching cricket match. See here there is a cricket match going on. Describe what is happening in the match by completing the sentences. Over here match is going on, you have to complete the blanks matching to the match what is going on. So shall we start? Okay. Many people are dash the cricket match. So what will you write over here? Watching. Many people are watching आएगा ना, क्योंकि सब क्रिकेट मैच देख रहे. So WATCHING, watching. B number, the bowler dash. So what the bowler is doing, see you can see the picture over here. The bowler is bowling. So is bowling. What it is bowling. Over here helping verb are is already written, so only watching we have to write. But in B1 we have to write the helping verb also and plus main verb. So is bowling, the bowler is bowling. C, the batsman dash dash. So you can see over here this is a batsman. So what will you write? The batsman is batting. The batsman is batting. 2 number, D alphabet. 2 players dash to catch the ball. So you can see over here 2 players. So what will you say? 2 players are there. More than 1 it is. So what will you say? Are waiting to catch the ball. Are waiting to catch the ball. So once again we'll read. Many people are watching the match. People are there means more than 1. So we'll write ARER. Now over here the bowler it is. So is will only come because we are talking about only one bowler. So the bowler is bowling. C number, the batsman is batting. This is also single only. You can see the batsman is batting. वो अकेला ही है. तो is batting. 2 players are waiting to catch the ball. So 2 players, it is more than 2. So we'll write are waiting. What we are going to write? Are waiting to catch the ball. Then the umpire is standing behind the wicket. You can see over here this is umpire, right? So where is the umpire standing? The umpire is standing here. See, you can see that this is umpire. The umpire is standing behind the wicket. The other players are fielding. Yes, that is also important. Now over here players are there. You can see children, players more than 1. So players. So you written are fielding. What you written? Are fielding. The ball is going up in the sky. Ball is going up in the sky. The batting is done so hard that the ball is flying up in the sky. And yes, a 6. और जब स्काई में बॉल जाता है तो क्या कहते हैं हम उसे क्रिकेट मैच में 6 कहते हैं. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this work in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting.